All right. Matt, the mortgage guy, coming to you live from United Wholesale Mortgage, the largest wholesale lender in the country, with an update about mortgage interest rates lower than they've ever been in the history of mortgage rates. Not the lowest this month, not the lowest this quarter, not the lowest this year, the lowest in history. I'm going to tell you why some people might not even understand that they're the lowest in history. And I'll get into that in the video on why they are. Before I do, if you like this straightforward content from a mortgage broker with boots on the ground, who's talking to wholesale lenders, who's talking to consumers, who's talking to real estate agents all day, every day, consider like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff for the YouTube algorithm, right? So I'll jump into it and tell you a conversation that was had here at United Wholesale Mortgage just yesterday about mortgage interest rates. Last year, we all know mortgage rates hit all-time lows. And the thing that's different about right now, literally this week in mortgage rates, is while the coupon may show slightly higher, what's happening is margins are lower than they were last year by a couple hundred basis points. So if on the coupon, we're 150 basis points more expensive, but we have no FHFA fee and we've got 200 basis points plus less in margin, the rates that are being delivered to you as the consumer, at least in the wholesale channel, are lower than they were last year, lower than they've ever been in the history of mortgage rates. So this is just a quick video to let you know, if you've been considering cash out, if you've been thinking about doing a rate and term refinance, right now is an amazing time to do so. To, at the very least, look into it. Call a mortgage broker you like and trust, get some quotes from them. If you need cash out for whatever reason, there's plenty of opportunity for cash out. And with national numbers being up year over year, 16+%, there's no doubt that you have equity in your house. And if you're paying mortgage insurance, if you want to better the terms and just do a rate and term, there's plenty of opportunity for that. So I encourage you, if you've been thinking about refinance, now could not be a better time. One piece of advice I'd like to give folks is that do not let the mortgage professional you talk you into paying points for a lower interest rate. In the environment we're in, where rates are super low, and I really don't see them going higher, there's a possibility they're going lower, you don't want to pay a bunch of upfront fees. You probably want to do as close to a no-cost loan as you can. That's how I'm structuring most of my clients right now. We're not paying points. It just doesn't make sense. But inevitably, you're gonna get junk in the mail like this. It's laminated. I put this in my pocket because I thought it was, you know, the newest and flashiest thing I'd seen from mortgage lenders. Is they've got this laminated card they're sending in the mail to me and my wife, and they're saying, you are pre-approved. Here's your offer to refinance. And guess what they do? They put in there a fixed rate of 2.25. The best part is they have to disclose APR. So what do they disclose? 3.109. You know what that means when you have 3.109 APR on a 2.25 interest rate? That thing is chocked full of fees. And when I say chocked full, I'm talking about $8,000 or $10,000 minimum just in points. Not counting title fees, not counting setting up your escrow account, just in points. This thing has got to be the worst deal in the world, but people are going to see the 2.25 interest rate jump up and down, call these people, hopefully not do business with some of these online clowns. But anyhow, if you want good mortgage advice and you're in California, matt@mattthemortgageguy.com. If you're outside of California, go ahead and fill out my quick form at greatmortgagebroker.com. I'll connect you with a great mortgage broker I like and trust. From United Wholesale Mortgage, I'm out.